Happy birthday, my sister in Christ, my childhood BFF, Ate Jade. Ayan, we may not be able to celebrate our birthdays na magkakasama as friends because of the distance, but I still want to extend my happiest greetings and wishes to you through this video. My greatest wish to you, of course, is to always find your happiness in God. Sunod na lang yung good health, pag-iingat, tuloy-tuloy na blessings, and all your wishes will be granted. Always remember to put God first in everything you do. And I really miss you. Our ministry together. You as my classmates sa piano lessons. Ayan, may kapalitan sa praise and worship, sa offering and closing songs. Even though we rarely communicate, I know you're still my sister. And I can't wait to bond with you again. We miss your luto. We miss our gala moments, and most of all, we miss praising our God together again. Once again, happy 25th birthday, Ate Jade. I love you with the love of the Lord.
Hi, Ate Jade. Happy birthday to you. Alam mo, I can't believe you're turning 25 now. Like, 25, that's quite the number. Charot. Kasi I still remember us playing Super Twins in our silly little skirts, and people would say we're inseparable. And I do agree. So having you away was a big change in my life. You know, I miss cooking, sitting in silence, driving with you, just yung random errands I do with you. But even this distance won't change the fact that you're my sister, and I'm really glad that we took our time together and made the most out of it. I can't wait to see you again soon and talk with you soon, bond with you soon, and just know that my prayers are with you, which is the best thing I could give you. I miss and love you so much, and I'll always be rooting for you.
Hello to my beautiful inaanak. Time flies so fast talaga, no? Parang kailan lang at mga bata pa kayo. Kayong dalawa ni Alaysa, naglalaro. Pero ngayon, nag-work ka na at nasa ibang bansa ka pa. No? Nag-work sa ibang bansa. But I'm so grateful for your success. No? And I know that's God's favor for you. Bilang isang anak niya na naglilingkod sa kanya, no? At nagsiserve sa kanyang vineyard. I just want to say na you just continue to delight yourself in the Lord. And I know, tulad ng promise niya, He will give you the desires of your heart. And I know naman na prioritize mo si Lord sa buhay mo. No? Kaya evident naman yung ministry mo sa music, no? sa inyong ministry, sa inyong ministry sa church. Pagpatuloy mo lang yan. At sa pagpili mo naman ng life partner, pray mong mabuti, and I know, I do believe, ibibigay ng Diyos ang the best para sa iyo at hindi kanya bibiguin. Happy birthday, at always praying for your good health. Yun lang, be. God bless you. Miss ko na kayo ni mami mo na BFF ko, and I love you.
Happy birthday, Dave. Wishing you a good health and happiness. Nawa ingatan ka ni Lord sa araw-araw ng mga ginagawa mo sa buhay, sa pagtatrabaho. Bigyan ka pa niyang kalakasan sa araw-araw. Araw mo ngayon. Ayun. Enjoy your birthday today. Happy birthday.
Hi Jade! Happy special day to you. Happy birthday! More blessings to come ngayong araw ng birthday mo. At alam ko dahil special to sa'yo, bless ka kasi nga kasama mo ngayon si mama mo na magsa-celebrate ng birthday, si Tita Men. At yung mga ibang kamag-anak natin dyan sa Paris. And ito yung unang birthday mo na nasa Paris ka, kaya nakakaingit ka naman. Sana all. Tapos ang wish ko sa birthday mo is good health, number 1. Syempre kailangan lagi kang malakas, tsaka para ma-handle mo yung mga pagsubok or mga task mo everyday, ano may mga ginagawa mo everyday, tsaka emotional, yan, yung syempre stress minsan, kahit naman sino na-stress, magkaroon ka ng patient, tsaka blessing, more on pera, yan, kailangan natin yung pera, syempre sino ba mang di may gusto ng pera, kaya more blessings to come with you. Syempre pag maraming blessing, maambunan yung mga nangangailangan. Halimbawa ako, yan, pwede mo ambunan. Tsaka ano pa bang wish ko sa birthday mo? Syempre yung stay beautiful. Oo, wish ko stay beautiful ka pa rin. Tapos humble, mabait, pagbigay, and ano pa ba? Halos nasa iyo na kasi halos lahat eh. Pabang wish ko ngayong birthday mo, Jade. Tsaka yun, business. Wala pang business. O baka itong taon na to magkaroon ka ng business mo kasi na-stop na yung dati mong business. Or in the future, 'di ba? Dati may business ka, pero ngayon, 'di ba, nasa abroad ka. Tsaka ano pa ba? Yun lang. Happy birthday. I-enjoy mo yung araw mo. Huwag ka muna magpa-stress. Celebrate mo yung birthday mo. Sama mo si Tita Men. Tsaka yung iba. Enjoy mo yan. Gulustain mo muna yung pera mo. Yung kita mo. Siyempre, enjoy mo. Kailangan enjoy mo yung birthday mo kasi first birthday mo yan. Celebrate mo yan. Kailangan todo mo. After na lang doon na lang ulit mag-budget meal muna. Tipid. Pero ngayon sa special day mo ngayon yan, kailangan wag mo yan tipirin. Kailangan itodo mo talaga, di ba? Happy birthday, Jade. Ingat ka lagi, mga desisyon mo, pag-isipan mo. Huwag kang basta-basta lang mag-desisyon na gusto mo to, ganyan na agad. Siyempre, isipin mo rin yung makaka-apekto sa'yo. Kung makakabuti ba sa'yo yun, makaka-apekto ba sa mga parents mo, magiging okay ba. Siyempre, kailangan yung advice nila, hingin mo rin, ganun. Huwag lang yung sa'yo lang. O yun lang yung ma-advise ko sa'yo, yung birthday mo, and yun lang yung may re-regalo ko sa'yo, yung advice ko na yun, na makinig ka lagi sa parents mo. Na hindi porket nakakapagtrabaho ka na sa sarili mo is kailangan ikaw na talaga lahat masunod, ganun, na hindi ka na makikinig sa parents mo, mali yun. Dapat makinig ka pa rin sa kanila kasi sila yung nakakatanda at mas alam nila yung nakakabuti sa'yo. Okay, Jade? Happy birthday from Kuya John.
Happy 25th birthday, John Daniel, Jade. As you celebrate this milestone year in Paris, I'm sending you so much love and prayer. I'm constantly inspired by your journey and the person you are. I wanted to share this verse with you for the year ahead. Delight yourself in the Lord and He will give you the desire of your heart. Psalms 37 verse 4. May this year be your most blessed one yet. God bless you always. From Ate Lou.
Happy birthday, Jinji, I love you.
Happy birthday Ninang Jade. Wish ko po sa inyo po makapagtapos po kayo sa France at makabalik po kayo sa Pilipinas.